Hi, I'm Charlie. Welcome to Big Sky Outdoor Adventures. Today we're going to Nilan Lake to do a little bit of ice fishing. So stay tuned and we'll be back with you momentarily. Thank you. Hey, here we are at Big Sky Outdoor Adventures. Fishing outdoors as opposed to indoors. No ice house, so that would be correct, right? That's correct. It is outside, so beautiful lake. We're actually going to be trying to get some rigs set up here real shortly. I'm going to put a chair up and get down to some business. Have a Pepsi here to warm up. There's the fish I almost caught. It was might have been a different one too, but could have been, but there he is. Jesse's jig. Jesse's jigs. Way to go. Is he getting one on that one too? Chris, you getting one? Wow, looking good. Nice one, isn't it? Yeah, I just had a little nibble. We're a little bit halfway down in our little hole here. Chris is digging it down. And what'd you catch then on there, Jerome? Just pink head on it. Let me show us here, big cat, little bit. We'll use it for. Look at that. That was on a mealworm. Oh, really? Yeah. That one's got a wax. No skirt on it. Oh, you got a skirt. Yep. I got a wax worm on that one. Looking good. Oh, might have been the same one. Who knows? Well, pretty close. Got a little nibble there. All the things are not strong. Absolutely. Going pretty hardly. Feeling like it. Grub worms from Robert Spates. Thanks, Robert, for finish up the whole street. You bet. Lots of things after you look like everything good. All going through. Wow. Got some play ice. There he is right there. Nice little rainbow there, huh? See right where you hooked him, got a little lip, didn't you? Yep, it got him right in the snout. Yeah? Yeah, it's on there. See a little bit of blood there. When he took it, he went bam, bam. Right? Look at that one in there. Well, it could have been the same one, sure. All right. How goes it down there, Chris? Here we are, Big Sky Outdoor Adventures, including ice fishing at Nilan Lake. We pretty much froze a little bit. Right now we're packing it in. Pretty chilly. Chris and I are the last ones. We're loading our gear up right now. We got one fish. Jerome caught it. I had a bite, and then right after I got it, the bite, Jerome caught the fish that was by my hole. So I'd like to think we got it together, group effort. And here we are, ready to head out. You can see our planet right there. Sun setting. The cars are way up there, but extending our journey. Big Sky Outdoor Adventures, ice fishing. Stay tuned next week when you bring your fishing to Giant Springs.